How to add emojis to Discord channel names. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up any text editor or simply open up Messenger on your device. Now go to any chats, tap on message button. Now tap on the emoji icon. Now tap the emoji you want to add. Now copy the emoji. Now tap on copy, then go back to the home screen. Now open up Discord on your device. Now go to your channel. Now tap on the channel name. Again tap on the channel name. Then tap on settings. Now tap on the channel name. Now type the name. Now paste the emoji. Then click on save at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for